Hi, my name is Milan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and all that jazz. I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair when I have twists in my hair for a twist out, and I just want to make them, last a little bit longer. Try to wear the style out. So I'm gonna start by taking out my clips. And I do these clips in just so like while they dry, so that they're like stretched, because like they're way longer than they would have been like when they were first wet. Like they had shrunk a bit. They're like way longer. They have a lot of hang time now. Yeah, they're like so much longer. Ooh, they're definitely still wet though. So first I'm gonna start off by putting some of these like jewels, some of the jewels in my hair, because that always just makes everything super cute. Okay, so the first style I'm gonna do is like these two buns. So I'm gonna take some hair here and just like a little bit here, and I'm going to wrap them into buns. And I'm gonna leave out some antennae here. Maybe I need to pull these up too. And so at the same time, you can just come up and make one big bun. Put that in a ponytail. And so you can either leave it out like this. This little style is cute. I like this one. This one is cute. It's probably my fave. Or you can bun it like this. Give yourself like a little top knot. Oh, there we go. So yeah, so it's like top knot, half up, half down type style. It's cute. So now you can take all of them and put them all in a ponytail at the top. And depending on how long your hair is, or how comfortable you are with this little pineapple thing, you can leave it out. But I'm gonna bun mine because I'm not really a fan of what's going on with the little flyaways. So that's another one, just like that. That's cute too. And if your hair is really short and you can't get them to wrap around, you can use bobby pins to just like bobby pin each one and get it stuck inside the ponytail holder. So that's another thing. Then another one I like is to do two ponytails here. I know this is like a lot of ponytails, but and so you can leave them down, like always, or you can wrap them around and do a top knot. Then another fave is to pull them to the back. To the back, and I'll leave these hanging. And this is like a cute work hairstyle for you when you're trying to make the twist last longer. So this is cute. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching and styling my hair with me. Hope you hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.